Okay, so next command from modify menu is offset command. It can be the shortcut for offset command is O enter. Now what offset will do is it will offset the object from the distance. Okay, so in the offset command, first it will prompt for distance. So what we can do is we can enter the distance, say let us say 2, enter, and then it will prompt for selecting the object. So I will select the circle as the offsetting object, and it will prompt then for the direction side. So I can offset this circle in two directions, one is the outer side and one is the inner side. So I have to just click on which side I want to offset that circle, and offset command will be done. Still you will be in offset command, so I can select the next object and it will be again offset with the same distance. Okay, so offset command can be done repeatedly, one after the other. Okay, getting out of the command, press escape. Again I will go with the offset command. Now I want to do same thing with only one option, that is the multiple. Okay, so again I will specify the offset distance, that is 2. Okay, then I will go with the select object, and after selecting the object, before choosing the direction, I can go with the option called multiple. Okay, M enter, and with that multiple option I can create multiple offset outside that circle. So I can just keep on clicking, it will be creating offset outside the circle. Okay, same thing, O enter with the line, distance will be say 5, and I will select that line and create the offset on one side and on the other side. Okay, again I will go with the offset. Then there are two options in offset command, three options basically. One is through option. Instead of specifying a distance by number, I can go with through option, enter, and I can just select the object for offset, and then I can give distance through by which I want to offset that. I can just click here randomly and object will be offset through that distance. Okay, the other options are erase options. It will be similar to mirror command where you want to erase the source object. So in that case you can go with the erase option. Okay, so one more time, offset command, O enter for offset. First you will specify the distance say 5, and then you will select the object and make the offset. Okay, for multiple offset, again O enter, distance is 2, select the object, and after selecting object you can opt for the option multiple, and then you can O enter, again distance is 2, enter, select object, and then you can go with the multiple option, M enter, and you can go with the multiple offsets.